Out there in YouTube land. It's been a little while since my last video of my 5-horse Johnson Seahorse 1965, and I had to rebuild the carburetor and replace the water pump on it. Everything seems to be fine now. We've been doing some trolling today, and haven't caught much. A couple little bass. Normally we just troll this lake for trout. Nice little lake, long lake here in Washington, right in Olympia, Washington, Thurston County. And thought I'd shoot a little video of us cruising now that we're about done. It's been doing really nice on running good on low speed all day and stuff like that. And so now we're going to fire it up and do a little cruise video. Not sure if the light's right, but hopefully.